there's a few worded things that you need to know while filling out the form. So I just filled out my tax form online on YouTube. So you may have noted that YouTube have sent out an email about asking for tax information before the 31st of May. You need to update that if you're a UK citizen or you have a tax treaty with the US, which you can find out on a website where it shows you that the UK is part of it, which means that we won't have to pay the tax because we already pay it in our home country. Some countries don't pay tax, so that's where you will need to pay it in the US. There's a few worded things that you need to know while filling out the form. I'll show you my process and I'll talk through the bits. But the main things you want to know is the number, the foreign TIN number, that's basically the UK national insurance number. So you would put your the two letters, numbers and letter in any way that you'd put it into the application form, and then you'll tick the boxes to confirm. There's a couple of tricky questions on there, so I'm going to take you through the form and let you know which questions are tricky, and I'll explain what I think they mean. It's all gone successfully. I've completed mine and it's been approved and it's gone through successfully as well. So let me take you to the screen and share that now. Okay, so on AdSense, log into your account. On the left hand menu, click payments. On the last box, there'll be an option there for you to update your details and update your tax information. Click on that box, it'll bring you here and go through the form. I'm completing it as an individual, and that is the boxes I am ticking. And this is an individual, so we're filling out the standard form. You put in your name in the top and you work through this. The TIN number is going to be your national insurance number in the UK. I'm doing this as a UK, so I'm selected from my list here, United Kingdom, and then put that into there. Click next and you put your address, your current UK address in here. You fill that out, and if you're different to your home address, you can put it out in two boxes. And then tax treaty, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? I was, because the UK has a tax treaty with the US. You click on the little information icon, it gives you a little blurb you can read on screen and pause if you want. You can click on more about tax treaties and it gives you a link to see if your country is a part of it. So I click yes, and then it says which country are you in. So I select United Kingdom, and that is in the drop down, and that is that section. Apart from that, is asking about a special rate and conditions. You may be exempt, and this is basically selecting which services you want this to apply to. I only have the AdSense at the moment, so I'm going to select just services AdSense. You can tick on the additional items and claim any future income type that you may plan to earn from Google products. So Article 7 paragraph 1 refers to the 0% reduced rate because I already pay UK tax, and there's a bit of information here in terms of your treaty article. You can read that details there. That's just about address confirmation. So then I filled out that information. That just shows you an overview of what you filled out. I've just boxed it out. I click next. There's two important boxes here which are a bit legally worded, but after a bit of Reddit and money supermarket searching, I discovered what they mean by this. So it's basically saying status change affidavit. So when I completed it, it gave me a proper document at the end which I was able to download. But for now, I'll show you what the wording is so you can read it, and you basically tick a box on it. So it's under penalties of, I declared that the information, well, you can pause that and read it. Basically, it's telling you that certificate of non-US activities, I certified that the services provided to Google or its affiliates will be performed solely outside the US. That's correct for me because I'm in the UK. If you have more details about this, let me know in the comments and let me know what option you selected. I think we're all in the same boat here, but that's the main form of it, and when it went through, it was approved, so I was able to approve it online. Okay, I'm hoping you found that useful. I'll link you to another video from YouTube if you're struggling.